The design of the S24 is the same as the previous model and many other recent Samsung phones. It has a flat back of Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and separate rings for each camera. The back finish is matte this time around. The phone's matte armor aluminum frame is supposed to be tougher this year, and the sharp edge where the frame meets the back makes for a subtly different feel in hand compared to the previous model. The display is a 6.2-inch OLED display, which is slightly larger than the S23's. It has a 1080p resolution, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung's new flagships bring LTPO tech, which means the screen refresh rate is extra adaptive. The bezels are slimmed down a bit for a more immersive experience. Colors are super accurate, and there is support for HDR10 video. The S24 comes with Samsung's new software package, One UI 6.1, based on Android 14. It brings refinements like a reorganized quick toggles page, and the S24 flagships also get a promise of 7 years of software support from Samsung. Samsung is again using a different chipset depending on the market. In the USA, Canada, or China, you get a phone with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, while elsewhere it would have an Exynos 2200. The cameras of the S24 are the same as last year's: a 50MP main camera, a 10MP 3x zoom telephoto camera, and a 12MP ultra-wide camera. Photos from the main camera are excellent with processing that's more laid back than the S23's. The 3x telephoto camera provides great detail and a gently tweaked output compared to the previous generation. Low-light photos from the telephoto camera are not perfect. The Galaxy S24 can record video in 4K at 60 FPS with all 4 of its cameras, and the main camera on the back can also do 8K resolution at 30 FPS.